if you have contact number, if you have any uh, any way to contact with them, please contact so that they can join in Google Classroom and may sit for exam. Otherwise, they will not be their answer script will not be accepted basically. This is the first exam, so consideration will be always for you, but still uh, it is mandatory to join the Google Classroom. Captain Fahim,
Yes, sir.
have you all the contact number with you?
Sir,
Oh,
I have the contact number of
109.
everyone, sir.
Are they join with your group also?
Sir, everyone did not join with the group, sir, and normally the present state of every classes is around 80 to 90, sir. So everyone is not joining actually, sir.
How many in your group right now?
Sir, it is approximately 90, sir. I need to check, but it is approximately 90.
Approximately 90. Still, if someone maybe due to some of the misinformation, or sometimes maybe he is unaware about something, right? Because all of are far away from the original MIST campus, right? So then there may be some information or miscommunication, so you can inform in your group again so that everyone should join in Google Classroom. At least if possible, you may send the SMS to all of the students. All whatever contact number you have, all the contact number you can send a SMS to join in Google Classroom before this exam at least.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, please. If you cannot do alone, then you can take help from your friends, your colleagues. Okay, and try to contact each of you. At least give the information that need to join in Google Classroom. Otherwise, they cannot actually attend the exam. City one. Okay. Okay, so uh, you already, because you didn't attend any class, any exam. So maybe you still are not completely sure about the city, how it will be taken. If you have any question regarding the city question format, anything.
Sir, what will be the question pattern?
Question, maybe 4 or 5 question will be there. 20 marks question. Each question will be around 4 or 5 marks. Okay, maybe 6 marks, and then in total it will be 20 marks question and 30 minutes exam, written exam, and it is kind of explanation type question.
How many questions would be given and how মানে কয়টা অ্যানসার করতে হবে আমরা?
All you have to answer.
স্যার
No,
কোনো অপশন থাকবে?
no option. All question you have to answer. Any other question?
Sir,
Yes.
my ISSB date is from tomorrow onwards, sir. So, sir, maybe I may not be able to take the exam, sir.
What is your name?
Sir,
MD
Abdullah
Abdullah
Rafi,
Al Rafi.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. From tomorrow onward, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you discussed these things with your SCC or G2?
No, sir, but previously a student has told the teachers, informed the teachers that they said that to contact with the course teacher.
Are you already? So in which it, where you are actually giving that army, navy, or air force?
Army, sir.
Army.
Yes, sir.
Okay. With you, any other this problem?
As far as I know, sir, there is none, sir.
There is none, only you. From tomorrow.
Sure.
So you will miss some classes also.
Yes, sir.
How will manage this one then?
Sir, I will watch the recording, sir.
How about the attendance?
I will inform the teacher, sir.
Okay. In my case, please give a letter. You know how to write a letter
Yes, sir.
in the Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? That will be counted as official letter from your side.
Yes, sir. I've understood, sir.
You understood, right? So
Yes, sir.
write down a letter in Google Classroom and keep it. And if you possible, you can write a hard copy and take a snapshot, take a scan copy and make PDF and then send to the Google Classroom or in the Gmail also
Yes, sir.
as a letter, and then we can have the reference from your side that this was the problem. So then we can have some consideration on you. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
But regarding the city one, I am not sure about the taking again this one because hopefully you have to attend the 3 cities, okay? And 2 cities will be counted. Best 2 cities will be counted. If you continue and if you join there, that is good. But if you unfortunately cannot join there, then you may come back. You may fall back for classes again, right?
Yes, sir.
So after that, if you attend 2 cities, then I hope that will be enough for you.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
But if you attend 1 city, that means you may miss full 20 marks for 1 city. Have you understood? So
Yes,
at
sir.
least 2 city you have to attend. And for all of you, it's not 2 city, it's actually 3 city. If you attend 3 city, best 2 will be counted. Because Abdullah has a special problem, he is joining in ISSB. So that's why 2 city is for him, but all of you must try to attend in 3 cities so that best 2 out of 3 will be counted, and that will be beneficial to you. Sometimes maybe 1 city you may not have the better marks, so that then you can cover up with another city, and then best 2 city if it is counted, then it will be advantage for you, right? So all of you try to attend all the city taken in for the KM 101. Okay, Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
I hope you should also inform your G2
Yes, I will
about
inform
this
them,
one,
sir.
and also you must send a letter, not like that just this role I am not joining, I cannot join, like not like this. Rather, please write down a proper letter and write down in Google Classroom as well as in your A4 size page, and then write a proper letter, take a scan copy and rename it properly, right? Your roll number and your department name, and send to the Google Classroom, either Google Classroom or you can send to email also. Google Classroom is better.
Yes, sir.
Always, I prefer Google Classroom. So send there.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other problem? Any other question, query
Sir, how
regarding
much
the
time
city?
we will get for writing and how much time we will get for uploading the PDF?
30 minutes time for writing and 10 minutes time for uploading.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
sir, we who are using Wi-Fi, if we disconnect due to electricity, can we rejoin with our MB on phone?
Can you repeat your question?
Sir, we who are using Wi-Fi, if we disconnect due to electricity, so can we rejoin with our MB?
Yes, you can rejoin. You can rejoin, obviously.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question? No question? Okay. Some of you have to join physical exam. Do you know this one? City exam. Some of you have to join physically.
No, sir, we don't know.
How about Captain Fahim?
Sir, from today we are continuing our classes physically, sir, in the MST
Okay.
campus, sir.
Okay. How many of you are joining in physical classroom?
Sir, total 7, sir.
7. Okay, so you have to attend the exam physically also. That means you will not be in online platform. You will get the question paper and answer script, everything physically, and you have to submit the physical answer script. That means hard copy of answer script, and that will be collected by by any of the instructor. Okay.
Sir, today we have another city, sir, but we are continuing it to the online platform, sir.
Okay, if it is like this, then it is better. Hopefully, if there is no physical city, that will be better for us also to manage. But let's see what happen. Okay, but as
Sir,
I
we will be
yes.
appearing our exams here in MST campus, but we will be depositing the script in online, sir.
Okay, that's good. So no problem then. Like the today's class, you have to submit the online classes, online answer script as well, right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. But later on, it will be informed to you properly that will it be the physical exam for KM 101 or will it be the online exam for KM 101? Okay. You will be instructed later on. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Any other question? Question, observation, doubt, anything? Okay, a few more instruction from my side for the city one. You have to keep on your camera in Zoom. You have to attend the Zoom. You have to log in Zoom continuously. You cannot discontinue the Zoom. Okay, and also you have to be in proper dress in the Zoom during appearing city one. Okay, so please be in proper dress during the exams because the camera will be on and that will be recorded. Have you understood, all of you?
Yes, sir. But when will the physical city will start?
For all of you, it's later on, maybe when the government will give the consent to conduct physical class, physical exam, that time it will be started.
Okay, sir.
Any other question regarding the city syllabus? Should I ask some of you about the city syllabus? Sadman Rafid, are you here or still you are outside? No. Plavon Das. Are you here? Plavon Das. No. Jannatul Jeba.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Present, sir.
Plavon. Plavon, are you saying?
Sir, Plavon Das, sir.
Okay. What is the syllabus? Can you repeat the syllabus? Do you know the syllabus? For City 1, KM 101. You don't know. So who knows the syllabus then?
Sir, atomic structure.
Structure and periodic table, sir.
Atomic structure and periodic table. These two chapter, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Atomic structure has few topic actually. Concept of atomic structure, different atom models, and then electronic configuration and quantum numbers, another topic, right? And then Heisenberg uncertainty principle, that is another topic, and periodic table. So these all will be included in City 1. Plavon. Can you hear me now? Can you repeat the syllabus?
Sir, periodic table and atomic model, sir.
Atomic model? No. Atomic model is one of the topic. So you have to study all the topic. Concept of atomic structure and atomic model and quantum numbers and Heisenberg uncertainty principle and periodic table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And do you have any roll number? Student roll number?
Yes, sir. 77, sir.
So why you have placed your this admission roll number here?
Sir, I have included all the roll numbers in the comment section, sir.
But you have to include your roll number in the participant list. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Student roll number in participant list. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So can you modify it now? Please modify with your roll number. Replace this admission roll number and place your roll number, student roll number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I hope you are clear about the syllabus, city, and exam time and other thing. All the information. If any other information to have, then you can get from Google Classroom. Please visit the Google Classroom and please request all of your friends to join in Google Classroom so that all can attend in exams. Okay. Okay, so let's start our class today. We have completed the until the periodic table, right? But part of periodic table still we didn't complete. That will be completed later on. The today's class will not be counted in your syllabus for City 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today's class, until the last class, your city syllabus will be counted. So today will be the new topic of periodic table, that is noble gases. So let's start some discussion on noble gas. So we already know about the noble gas, right? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
In the periodic table, where is placed noble gases?
Group 18, sir.
Group 18. Where is placed the inert gases?
Wait, sir.
Group 18. So noble gases and inert gases are
Same.
same. Okay. Do you know how many of the noble gases? You know, 6 elements, right?
Yes,
Helium,
sir.
neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, right? Do
Yes,
you know
sir.
the physical characteristics of this? Any of the physical characteristics? Anyone can tell? Physical characteristics. For example, the state or physical state, the temperature, boiling point, melting point. Any of this, you know?
They are gases, sir.
They are gases. We are already telling noble gases, right? Noble gases. So these are all gases. Any other physical characteristics? Are they miscible in water? Are they miscible in any other with any other gases?
No, sir.
With other gases?
Argon sometimes form glacerates in water, but other than that, it's not.
Yes. And how about the other gases? Will it be miscible?
If
No,
the gas is throws polarity, then it is moderately
Moderately
soluble.
miscible. Okay. So like this way, there are some physical characteristics. Some chemical characteristics also there, right? For example, inert gas itself is the chemical characteristics, right?
Yes, sir.
Why it is inert? Why these gases or these elements are inert?
Stable.
Somebody please, if you, we already know this one, right? So to just review our memory.
Sir, the outer shell is full, sir.
Shell is full, you said,
Yes, sir.
right? Can you just
no, sir,
give one
octet
example?
filled, not fully filled.
They're not
Like
fully
there can
filled.
be some electron portion left at the lower d orbital, so we cannot just say filled.
Okay. But the octet, according to octet rule, are they completely filled?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Without
if the octet is completely filled, then what is the reason behind the inertness of these gases? Simply why they are inert. Can you explain?
Because the octet electron configuration is the most stable, and so
Stable.
as they're already stable, they do not tend to form bonds by changing this octet configuration to any other configuration.
Okay. So if you elaborate with the octet rule, it will not be like this, that octet because their octet is completely filled, that's why they are stable. They do not want to exchange the electron. They do not accept the electron, as well as they do not want to donate the electron, right? As well as they do not want to share the electron, right? Due to this stability, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Makes
Every
more
element
sense.
want to be stable, right? Why they do not? Why they want to be stable? Do you know? Other elements.
Other elements want to get the lowest possible energy state by reaching low energy electron configuration or stable configuration,
Right.
and usually octet configuration is the most stable
Most stable.
electron
Right.
configuration.
So these
So
all are
other
related to each other, right? Yes. Yes. Other elements. Continue.
other elements actually try to get the configuration of its nearest inner gas.
Right. So they want to actually yes.
Only from to achieve the
The other elements also want to be the electronic configuration of inert gas, right? So inert gas itself has the stable configuration, and why? Because they have octet filled up. And why this octet filled up? Because due to this octet filled up, they do not want to donate, they do not want to accept, or they do not want to share an electron. So that's why they are inert during the chemical reaction, and that's why they are called as inert gas. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Why they are called noble gases then?
They are different from any other elements because they do not tend to undergo any change.
Undergo any change. This is actually nobleness. Very good. So normally in mass also the noble means something different, right? But in common people, they want to change something or something, right? But in noble person, they do not want to change. They want to keep their ideology. Similar fashion here also, they want to be stable as they are, and they do not want to change their pattern of octet and other thing. So inertness is the cause of nobleness as well, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why these 6 elements also called as noble gases, right? There are some of the uses of these inert gases in our day-to-day life. Some of the uses we have. Can you name any of the use of these 6 elements in our life?
We use inert gases mainly when we do not want like this. There are in atmosphere there are the most reactive gas is oxygen, then there is nitrogen.
Right.
So when we want an atmosphere where we do not want external atmosphere to react with the thing we are working, or to do unexpected chemical changes, then
Right.
we use noble gas there, because noble gas never goes, or it never undergoes chemical changes another substance.
Perfect. Okay. So this is one of the most important uses of noble gas, to create a inert environment for any chemical reaction in laboratory, right? And we are discussing about chemistry. So that in the chemistry laboratory, this is common phenomena. For many reaction, we have to conduct many reaction in the inert environment. Okay, due to the requirement for that reaction. So to keep the inert environment, we use this kind of inert gases. Helium gas. Do you know any of the use of helium gas?
Sir, it is
To
used
make
in
the
gas
environment
balloon.
inert, sir.
Inert environment, obviously. Any other
Sir, it is used in gas balloons.
gas?
Balloon.
Welding,
Gas balloon. Very good. Yes. Any other? Any other?
welding of highly reactive metals.
Very good. How about neon? Any uses of neon?
Neon light is used under cars.
Neon light. Very good. Argon?
Argon is used in oxygen tank, sir.
Oxygen tank. So there are many more uses for this kind of inert gases. Okay. In the book, it is well written in elaborated way. I will provide after the class the book chapter. Okay. In the Google Classroom. Please go through. There are the things you already know. Just to review the physical characteristics and chemical characteristics of the inert gas as well as the uses of inert gas. This one only. Okay. So I will actually provide the part of this chapter that is in the syllabus. Whatever in the syllabus, we will provide the material from the book chapter itself in the Google Classroom. Okay, so please download that one and then go through this chapter. Any question regarding this part? This part is actually completed now. The noble gas, or the part of in your syllabus, whatever it is, the noble gas or the inert gases, this is completed. Any question? Okay, if no, then we'll try to have some question from you, if any. If any question you have. Okay, I want to give you another information. Maybe many of you are visiting the Google Classroom frequently, but some of you may reluctant to visit the Google Classroom. The book chapters from periodic table. Book chapters from periodic table is already uploaded from the book itself. Okay, the materials of the PDF PPT file also uploaded, and as well as the book chapters uploaded. Okay, so you have to study from the book chapter. Okay, as well as you will get the other chapter, which one is concept atomic structure. Atomic structure chapter you will get from the book chapter of the Boltuli Essentials of Physical Chemistry. Okay, so please study from the book Essentials of Physical Chemistry. Have you got the soft copy?
Yes, sir.
All of you has? Somebody said no. I hope every one of you has. If you not have the if you don't have the soft copy still, please Google it. Okay, what you will Google?
Essential of physical chemistry.
Essentials of Physical Chemistry PDF. Just Google it, you can find the PDF file. Please, every one of you, I am requesting of all of you to download from the Google Classroom And if you don't have the knowledge to download, how to download, please ask your friends. Some of them has actually this PDF file. So ask them to send to your email, and then use that book for chapter 1, and for chapter 2 I have already uploaded in Google Classroom. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can use the book. If you just go by the materials only, that will not be sufficient for you. Please follow the book. You should take a clue from the materials, PDF, PPT materials, but you have to study from the book so that you can have all the information and prepare yourself well for the exams. Okay, please collect the books from the internet or from your friends. Last few minutes, I want to take question from you. Any question regarding your exams?
Sir, about which book you are talking about?
Essentials of Physical Chemistry, Boltuli. Writer is Boltuli. Essentials of Physical Chemistry is the book name. Okay, Boltuli is the writer name, and you can download the PDF file.
Okay, sir.
If you don't have, please request your friend to send the PDF file to you. If you cannot find in Google, it is available actually. Free, available, free in the Google. Chapter 1, you study from chapter 1 there, and chapter 2, the chapter from another book, actually that is not available in the Google. That's why I have complete chapter I have uploaded in the Google Classroom also. Periodic table chapter. That is named as elements, classification of the elements.
Okay, sir.
Any other question? Varsity on, reminding you again, please arrange the camera, arrange the microphone properly, so that during the exam do not be in odd situation. Okay, and also please everyone, request all of your friends, whomever you can contact, please request them to join in Google Classroom, because the exam will be taken in Google Classroom. If you are not joined in Google Classroom, then you cannot submit your answer script actually. So your answer script will not be accepted, and ultimately you will be counted as absent in the exam. I hope the message is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other question? You have exam from 11 or 11:45?
Sir, from 11:40.
Okay. So best of luck for your exam, and hopefully you will have all the preparation. And then if you find any problem, please you can fall back to me. We can discuss how to solve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much, every one of you. Best of luck. Stay safe and stay good. Please visit the Google Classroom for all the informations. Okay, if you are still not sure about the informations. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.